Oh, good morning, guys. Another random item off Thingiverse that I spotted on Pinterest first. Backwards 3D monster truck. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces. That shouldn't take long to put together. Right, we'll put it together. Monster truck kit, fresh1134206, and thing on Thingiverse 4622072. Shouldn't take very long, only 7 pieces. That started off well and then started getting a bit more awkward. I don't want to break it. It's a little bit hard to get it through the gap though. Done it. Yeah, that's all right. I have no idea why it says backwards 3D monster truck when the Thingiverse name is fresh1134206. That may be his other channel name or something, or it may be that it's somebody else's design. No idea. got there in the end. I just like the look of it. It just looked like a bit of fun artwork. There's some nice detail in there. Yeah. Just trying to find a nice angle for the daylight on it. That'll do. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.